Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Dodge Journey, guys, and you have a key that looks like that and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, everything from start to finish, how to take it apart, how to replace the battery. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, guys, we make at least 200 videos. You already know that. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now that key, guys, has been used in multiple Dodge vehicles. Okay, it's the same design. Dodge Journey, I think they use it only from year 2009 to maybe 11 or 12, guys. And then they switched to the other key. We have a battery replacement video, key battery replacement video on the new style key as well, so check it out. Now, if you guys need to buy a replacement battery for a really good price, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now, guys, right here, let me show you what we have. This is, guys, okay, this is this is the key out of a 2010 Dodge Journey outside, guys, but the same key. So how you guys remove and replace the battery now? Okay, extremely cold today, battery died, we cannot even unlock the vehicle to get it in the shop, so we'll show you guys what needs to be done. Pretty simple, guys. Okay, we go ahead, okay, and we need to take the key apart by first, okay, removing the mechanical key, slide that thing to the side. Okay, let me get the screwdriver, slide it to the side, pull the key out. Perfect. Now right here, guys, we need to separate the two halves. How we do that? Simply, guys, go right here, pry a little bit on each side, then come on this side, I come underneath, pry, okay, grab it with your fingers when it's been separated, okay, and gently, guys, wiggle it out. Now that circuit board with the buttons, okay, needs to come out. Go ahead and install it on this half. That's how you will be putting it together. Perfect. Now, guys, what do we need to do? That's where the battery is located. We need to simply go ahead, grab, guys, the battery on the back side, pull it out. You can see each side, it says the push side down. That's how we install it. You have one metal plate that you should be careful not to bend, so that's why you go in an angle like that and slide it down. After that, you grab the key, guys, and you start putting it together. Now it's important that you go a little bit on each side, guys. Okay, a little bit on each side. Otherwise, if you try to go all at set on one side, you won't be able to put it together, guys. Make sure that it clicks. Perfect. And after that, do not forget to install your key, okay, right here, so you don't lose it, guys. Now, if you guys need to buy the replacement battery, we have the link in the description of the video below. It will be there for your convenience, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.